If you're looking for a silicone liner for your KitchenAid stand mixer, these might be the right fit for you. These are compatible with the 5-quart and the 4.5-quart. These are perfect for your bowl so that you can easily remove them and place them in your refrigerator as you're mixing. These are also machine washable, so you can place it right in your dishwasher after you're done for a nice spot clean. Now, they also do come with a lid just to make sure that you have some type of lid and coverage on it so nothing falls into it inside the refrigerator. You can potentially stack these. It might be a little precarious, but it's doable. This is how the bottom looks like. It's not quite fully flat, but it does offer some flatness, especially if you have material in here. It's gonna like weigh down a little bit so that it's a little bit more stable. But overall, this would be perfect for those who do a lot of baking and want to store some of their dough or whatever they're working on into the refrigerator or other locations wherever they need to. But I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for the brand for sending out the sample. Have a great day. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.